Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-UA7 audio player, Bluetooth audio player, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this device is not pairing with Bluetooth or not connecting with your device, or if it's not responding, not making sounds, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason you might just want to get a fresh start with this device, like it's just coming out of the box new. We can wipe everything off of it with this procedure. All we need to do is we're just going to come in and press and hold the power button and just keep pressing and holding the power button until on the display you get a little reset with a question mark on the display. It'll say reset question mark. And what you'll do then is just while you're continuing to hold the power button, then you'll just come in and press the select button at the same time. And then as soon as you do that, it will say reset without the question mark. And then after that, it will say, just have a bunch of dashes go across the display, and then it will turn off. Now everything's back to the factory defaults. You can go ahead and turn it back on and set it up like a brand new device.